During a party meeting on Monday, 30 voters spanning 6 families defected from their former party to join the BJP. Mandal leaders, including Vice President Prema Nanda Debbarma, General Secretary Sanjit Debbarma and Vice President Rajesh Debbarma were present to welcome the new members. On that day, 30 voters from 6 families joined the BJP at the 11 Mandai Mandal BJP party's office. They were welcomed by Mandal Vice President Prema Nanda Debbarma, Mandal General Secretary Sanjit Debbarma, Vice President Rajesh Debbarma and other dignitaries.
Balai hambai semua paksa Chini Bharatiya Janata Party o samkhani fakia abon bagi kono balai hambai Chini देश नि प्रधानमन्त्री नि देश को नयनंगनि नुगु इtai Chini Tripura राज्य नि Chini Professor Dr. Manik Sarang मुख्यमन्त्री नि जे सामनो नुगु कि प्रासानि बागे जे सामखाइमेनि नुगु बरक तंगमालिया संग पाछे सामखाइमेन फाकिया Chini party बरक सामिदेन फाकिया आम लगे कोनो पार्टीया hambai Chini लगे बरक तिनि सय फेमिलि 30 बुटा Jina Koprani, Sini Tapuk Hamsong, Sungai Pasan, Tayibrok, Tapuk Sungai, BJP Party ni Sam Kachinai, Tayibrok, Party Tonglia, Kapan Bagai Sungai Tak Sam Kachinai, Tapuk Sini Party Hankrak, Hanya Bagini Box Sungai Sam Kachinai, Gona, Sintiri Lamsubin, Kapan Bagai, Gona Blay Hambai.
Reported by Malin from Mandai, Chini Khorang.